Hello friends, welcome to Crack Gate CSE, and in this particular video we'll discuss that how you can get access to the free test series without investing a single penny, and also I'll let you know that how you can practice previous year gate questions which are available in a PDF format in this particular video. So this video will be helpful for the GATE CSE aspirants, but yes, if you are from any other particular branch, you can easily access the general aptitude and engineering mathematics question. But for the computer science engineering, you can access the questions for all the subjects, whether it is a test series or it is the previous year GATE questions, right? So before proceeding on to those resources, I would like to request you all, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get access to any upcoming videos. Now let's move on to the resources. You should search for sudo gate geeks for geeks in your browser, and this first link that you are getting which says course sudo gate practice, open this particular link and it will be somewhat like this. So this particular sudo gate is completely free. So this is a free course. You can just log in to register, and after registering, what you will be getting, different articles, blogs and notes related to each topic, and you can just study those topics online, and you'll be getting weekly tests. So weekly tests are available for all subject, which include subjective test, full length test. And one more thing is what you will be getting is you will be getting here the, so this is the content that I'm having, and these are the subjective tracks. So you will be getting 30 questions in each subjective track, and there will be 11 tracks for each of the subject. Similarly, you will be getting the subjective contest, and this contest also you'll be having 30 questions from each contest, or you can say each subject, and the duration will be of 75 minutes. And similarly, you can get 3 mocks which are full length, which comprises of all subject. So you will be getting 11 contest, 11 tracks, and these 3 full length tests for free. So this is one of the best resources I found out in the internet for the GATE 2021. So this is a free course. Please register this. Apart from this, you can get access to the PDF. So these PDFs are GATE Overflow book. So you can search for GATE Overflow PDF in your browser and open the first link. When you open the first link, it will be like this. So when you scroll down, here you are seeing that here I'm having 3 different volumes. So because of some reasons, they have not updated these volumes this year, but this Code 2020. So these 3 volumes are containing the previous year GATE questions till GATE 2020, where in this first volume, you are having engineering mathematics, discrete mathematics, and general aptitude questions, not only from GATE perspective, but from TIFR perspective as well. Similarly, in volume 2, you will be getting algorithm, programming and DS, compiler, theory of computation. And in third one, you will be getting CO, database, OS, and computer networks. So you can download these PDFs by just clicking on it, and you can access these PDF anytime. So the best thing is they are having a topic wise distribution of the questions. For example, if you talk about engineering mathematics, they are having a set of questions from relational algebra, and so not from the relational algebra, from the linear algebra, and set of the questions from calculus. So they have segregated in a topic wise manner. So these are the best resource for practicing previous year GATE questions. So one is this free test series which is available on Geeks for Geeks, name is SudoGate. Other one is this GATE Overflow PDF, which is known as Go PDF. So these are 3 volumes. These are also very important. So it contains a variety of questions, and if you practice these questions only, I hope you will be getting very good marks. So I hope you found these particular resources useful, and if yes, please like this video and share your feedback in the comments, whether it is positive or negative. Also, the algorithm playlist which is available on our YouTube channel Crack Gate CSE is completed. You can watch the complete playlist and you can definitely get good marks in the algorithm. So the weightage of algorithm is around 7 to 10 marks, and if you are following my playlist which I have created for you, I guarantee that you will be getting complete marks in algorithm. So please check out those videos and keep supporting, keep learning. Have a great day.